Intrigue Yoga blog, and we are going to be doing a variation on cat-cow. Cat-cow is an amazing flow all by itself. It's awesome for integrating breath to movement. It's awesome for feeling through the shoulders, through the hips, and creating a nice flexion in the spine. The one complaint that I hear about cat-cow is wrist pressure, and that's real. If you go through the flow 5 to 10 breaths, then you'll definitely have to give yours some love when you come out. So today for this variation, we're going to incorporate child's pose into our cat-cow flow and see if we can get all the benefits of cat-cow with happy wrists. I'll see you on the mat. Create length in the spine, bring awareness to the breath to prepare to come into a tabletop for cat-cow. Place the hands for your tabletop directly under the shoulders. Place the knees directly under the hip points. Press into the tops of the feet. Spread the fingers wide, pressing into the index finger and the thumb and all the fingertips. And then place the wrists on top. Engaging all the muscles of the hands. Feel the length of the spine from the sitting bones to the crown of the head. On an inhale, begin arching the back at the hips. Pressing the heart forward, sliding the shoulder blades down the back ribs with a soft gaze looking forward. Keep the neck comfortable. Roll from the hips to round the spine. Take the sit bones down to the heels and keep nice straight arms. Inhale, come back up into your tabletop, and then begin arching the spine. Exhale, roll, round, take the sitting bones down, take the forehead down to the mat if you can. Keep the hands in place. Flowing with your own breath here at your own speed. The rhythm and integration of breath to movement in cat-cow is what creates the magic. So begin rolling, arching and rounding at the hips. Slide the shoulder blades up and down the back ribs and around. As you inhale, feel the expansion of the breath, and as you exhale, drawing your navel up towards the spine. And opening the heart. Feel the opening in the shoulders and along the length of the spine as you press down. Next, inhale. We'll press the toes into the mat to create a deeper stretch in the calves and hamstrings. And on the exhale, staying up on all fours, begin rolling at the hips, round the spine, pressing the heart and navel up towards the spine. Inhale, reach the heart forward, slide the shoulder blades down. And exhale, rounding the spine. Engaging all of the core, pressing into the tops of the feet. Inhale, pressing the heels back, toes into the mat. And exhale, roll it, take it back down to child's pose. Relax the shoulders. Touch the palms together. Breathe in child's pose. I hope that you enjoyed our cat-cow variation. Happy Friday. Namaste.